channel. In this video I'm going to cover 2.2 solving quadratics by the quadratic formula. So there is another way we can solve quadratics. If we cannot factorize, we cannot complete the square, we can use the quadratic formula, and you would have seen it from GCSE. The quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we can put any quadratic into here, it will give us the solutions. So a is just the number before the x squared, b is just the number before the x, and then c is the number without the x. So let's go over two examples. So here, x squared plus 3x plus 1. Let's identify a, b, and c. A in this case is 1 because there's no number before it, so it's just 1. B is just 3, and C is 1. So we know what A, B, and C are. We can now put them into the formula here: minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared, which is 9. 9 minus 4. That's a 4 there. 1. 1, because both A and C are 1. It's just 1 for both, divided by 2 times A, and A is 1, so that's 2. So we get minus 3 plus or minus the square root of, that's a 9 there, 5 over 2. And there we go. That's our answer to the first part, or we can leave it as minus 3 over 2 plus or minus 1 over 2 root 5. There we go. That's another way we can also put it. So the second question is x equals root 8x minus 15. So we saw something like this on the last video. So to get rid of the square root, we have to cancel it by squaring both sides. So we get x squared equals 8x minus 15. The x squared equals 8x minus 15. We can minus it. The 8x minus 15 on the other side to get all the x terms on one side. So it would be x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. We can use the minus b equals minus root b squared minus 4 over 2a formula. So it is minus, so it's minus 8, which is just 8, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is just 64. So 64 minus 4 times 1 times 15. Because a is 1, because obviously there's no number before the x squared, and then which is 15, all divided by 2a, so it's 2. So we get 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 4 times 15, which is 60. So you have 4 over 2. Now the square root of 4 is actually 2, so the answer is 8 plus minus 2 over 2. So 8 plus or minus 2 over 2. So it means if it was plus, it would be 8 plus 2, which is 10, divided by 2, is 5. Or x is equal to, if it was minus, then it would be 8 minus 2, which is 6, over 2 to get 3. So the solutions are x equals 5 and x equals 3. Now I'm pretty sure you probably could have used factorising. Yeah, there's way quicker than using a quadratic formula, but we've still got our answer at the end of the day. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.